So we're continuing with 6.2. We're on page 259, and we're looking at the surface area of a triangular prism. So when you look at the triangular prism, you see that you have your bases are the triangles, and there are two of those. And these are identical sizes. And then you have three faces, and your faces size, but in this case, all three of our faces are a different size. So this one's 3 times. And then this one that is back here, that's 5 by 6. We can't see that one, but that one's right here. So we're going to find the area of our bases, which is our triangles. And remember, base times height divided by 2 is the area of a triangle, but we're doing 2 of them. These become 1, so our 2 triangles are just base times height. Remember what I said about the right triangle, so the base is 3 and the height is, you circle that, I need that. Now we're going to find the base of each, the area of each rectangle, which is base times height. So this is 4 times 6, 5 times 6, and 3 times 6. So you add those 4 things together, and you get the total area. Which they also do it, outline it here in our in the explanation. So I want you to pause now and work on 3 and 4 independently, and then we'll come back and do them together. Okay, so you should have done 3 and 4. So we're going to do our bases first, but we're doing 2 of them. So we have 5 times 12, which is 60. And then we have this front face, which is 13 by 3. Then we have this little one down here, which is 5 by 3. And then we have the one on the back, which is 12 by 3. Okay, we're going to add those things together. $20, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So our surface area, 150 meters squared for number 3. So now we're going to do number 4 together. Area of our bases. Base times height divided by 2. I'm just showing you the formula again. 3 times 4. And then we have face 1. 4 times base times height, 4 times 4, face 2, which is, we're going to do on the bottom, which is 3 times 4, and base 3, which is 5 going up, and 4 here, because they have a 4 here. Now we're going to add those things together. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 60 surface area is 60 centimeters squared for number 4. So now let's do some of the your homework problems together. Open-ended. Describe a real-world situation where you want to find the surface area of a prism. I'm going to give an example of if you're painting a storage container. You think, let's do 2 through 5. So we have this rectangular prism over here, and we're going to do the area of face 1. Face A, I'm sorry. Face A is this front one, so that's 4 times 6. I'll send it in a minute. Face B is this one on top, and that is 6 times 3. Oh, I didn't circle them. Face C is this one on the end here, and that's 3, and here's our 4 times 4. Okay, I'm going to, now we want to do number 5, surface area of the prism. Let's add those 3 things up. We get 54, but remember we only did one of the sides. For every side we see, there's another one that's exactly the same size. Multiply that. So 108 centimeters squared is our area of this rectangular prism. So that's exactly how you're going to do all the rectangular prisms down here. Now let's do one of the triangular prisms. Let's look at number 13. I'm going to just put a piece of paper here so I have more room. We need to do our 2 triangles. Area of our bases. Base times height divided by 2 times 2. Remember our right triangle, so our base is 6. Our height is 4. Okay, now we have our 3 sides. So this one over. Then we have face 2, which I'm going to do on this side, which if you notice, this is also 7 times 5. Now we have the bottom, which is 6 times 7, face 3. $42. Now we're going to add those 4 things together. Sorry. $10, $16, $3, $3, $6, $9, $13. So our surface area, 15 meters squared. Now I want you to look down at this tent down here. If you notice, the measurements are the same exact, except for these are feet and these are meters. So that's how you do all of the triangular prisms. Okay, that should be enough to get you started. We've done several together, and your homework is the rest. Come to see me in tutoring if you have any other problems.